Keeping your reusable contacts clean is really important. First thing to remember is tap water is a no-go. Never rinse your lenses or lens case with tap water, as it can really irritate your eyes and could cause an infection. Secondly, before you touch your lenses, make sure you wash and dry your hands properly. Then, to clean your contact lenses, you'll need to use the lens solution that's been recommended by your optician. Be sure to follow any additional instructions on the bottle, as well as this video, especially if you use hydrogen peroxide solution. Once you're ready, put the lens in your palm and add a couple of drops of solution. Rub gently from side to side for about 20 seconds. When you've finished, put a few more drops of solution onto the lens to rinse it. If you're happy it's clean, put it back into your case and cover it with fresh solution. Never top up old solution. And don't forget to make sure you put the correct lens in the correct side. R for your right eye and L for your left. Perfect! You should do this every day and leave them in the solution overnight. Otherwise they won't be fully disinfected. If you're storing them for a longer time, remember to change the solution at least once every 3 days. And that's it! You're all done!